Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about something a little different. Maybe you've spent the money on a nice set of our headlights, a nice set of our fog lights, and now you might need something to protect them. Now the Morimoto Evo line of headlights already has a coating to protect it from UV rays and things like that, but there's some additional protection that you can use by the way of Lamin-x to cover the front of your headlight or fog light or whatever it may be. We've even got kits that are exactly cut out to the shape of the headlight to make installation a lot easier. It's going to protect you from rock chips, bugs, UV rays even further than the coating already on the lights, and you've also got color options. The obvious color is going to be clear, that's the most common, but we've also got a yellow option for the fog lights, particularly for the foul weather conditions that you might find yourself in. With these vehicle-specific kits, it's not only going to include this cutout for your headlight, it's also going to include the razor, the water bottle, and a squeegee to make installation easier. The Lamin-x product is a very thick product. It isn't the easiest to install. Now it can be done DIY, but we do recommend a professional to install it just so you get it extra perfect. If you're going to go the DIY route for installation, some extra tools might be required, like a heat gun, an extra set of hands, things like that to help get the job done. So if you're thinking about buying some hot new Morimoto products for your headlights or fog lights, you'll notice in the drop-down menu when checking out that you can add the Lamin-x specific to those fog lights or headlights right there at checkout. So if you're looking to protect your investment on these hot products, head on over to morimotolighting.com to get yours today.